A fatal road accident involving 3 vehicles claimed 1 life and left several others injured near the 3rd IRB camp at Khangabuk Sanilo under the jurisdiction of the Thoubal police station along Imphal Murray Highway late last night. According to reports gathered from the scene, the tragic collision took place at approximately 10:20 p.m. yesterday. The deceased has been identified as Ningthaujam Inaucha, 38, son of Subol, hailing from Hairok Part 2, Chingdompok, travelling in a Hyundai i20 car. Reports stated that the i20 car, occupied by 3 individuals, was heading toward Thoubal from the direction of Wangjing when it collided head-on with an oncoming Maruti van carrying 2 occupants and a Honda Activa scooter carrying 3 people. Ningthaujam Inaucha died on the spot. The 2 other passengers in the i20 car, identified as Naurim Inaucha, 22, from Hairok Chingdompok, and Bikain from Hairok Part 2, Chingol, sustained injuries. Occupants of the Maruti van, Moirangthem Pradeep, 26, and Nungthombam Dasa, 20, both residents of Telo, were also injured in the crash. Moreover, 3 individuals travelling together on the Honda Activa, identified as Mohammad Suhail Abbas, Mohammad Habibur Rahman, and Mohammad Imran, all hailing from Mayang Imphal Bengun Salam Bazar, suffered injuries during the collision. The injured were immediately rushed to Thoubal District Hospital for medical treatment, while the body of the deceased was deposited at the Jennings morgue for post-mortem examinations. Thoubal police have registered a case regarding the incident and seized all 3 vehicles involved in the crash for further investigation.